I'm about to do some unboxing for you guys. This is heavy. You're gonna help me. We got it out of the box. Now you can see it's a new Thermocook. Looks amazing. They have all the delicious meals that you can make with it, which I can't quite check now. And let's have a look what's inside. Fancy. Very fun doing unboxing. I don't know yet where everything belongs to, but this is the actual Thermocook, and looks like we are about to do some assembling. How fun! So with this user's manual, it actually took me only a couple of minutes to assemble the Thermocook. And I got here some spare bowls, looks like they're for steaming. And I love the design and can't wait to try this machine in action. I was gonna quickly show you all the functions that Thermocook does. So you can see it's in the box. It's chopping, whipping, mixing, emulsifying, milling, kneading, cooking. Also does blending, stirring, steaming, baking, and precise heating. Wow.